Part 1. Assemble. Thanks for purchasing Digital Eagle Agriculture Drone AK61. Please make sure you watch this video before using the drone. First, please check that each part of the drone is at your hand. Drone arms with motor. There are two kinds of motors, black anti-cross and silver cross. There are 3 sets, 6 pieces arms, and 1 set, 2 pieces arms with spray nozzles. 22-inch propeller, black anti-cross and silver cross propeller. Total 6 pieces propellers. Battery, 2 pieces, 12,000 mAh. To make sure of the lifetime of battery, please remove off the battery and switch off the remote control before charging. Charge the drone battery and remote control battery. Please make sure the battery is in storage voltage when you want to store the battery for a long time. Landing gear. Protect drone during landing. AK61 drone body, including container, landing gear, autopilot system, cap, and remote control. After, make sure all parts are at your hand. Let's begin the assemble. Please put the blue arm into the blue part of the drone body and lock. Please put the orange arm into the orange part of drone body and lock. Installed the spray tube. Black anti-cross propeller. Install onto the black anti-cross arm and silver cross propeller to silver cross arm. Fix the battery and connect the battery red with red and black with black. Switch on the remote control. Now, finish the assemble of AK61. Part 2. Flight check. For safety, please follow the video demonstration steps strictly for flight check in each flight. First of all, please check the various parts of the aircraft. Check the motor rotation. Finally, use the voltage testing device to detect battery power. Turn on the remote control power. Observe the remote control power from the device. It is recommended that you carry spare batteries and mobile charger when you need to work for a long time. Part 3. Compass calibration. It has to do compass calibration when do the first using of the aircraft. Firstly, choose a square area. Need to pay attention here. Compass is the sensitive parts. Do not make it close to magnetic objects or materials, such as mobile phones, keys, or large metal objects. In addition, frequent calibration can make the compass work in the best condition. Turn on the remote control. Make all of its channels reset. Start the aircraft. Using the remote control, continuously toggle flight mode 4 to 5 times. The aircraft indicator light will turn yellow on behalf of entering the calibration compass interface. And then do the handheld aircraft horizontal clockwise rotation until the long yellow light turns into green light for a long time. Then turn the aircraft head down and do the clockwise rotation until the green light turns into red and green light alternately flashing. This means the calibration is successful. If the red light is on, the calibration fails. You need to do recalibration. Part 4. Check motor. First, reset the remote control channel. Start the remote control. Plug the battery. Turn on the aircraft. The LED lights on the drone will be flashing with red, green, yellow light alternately. It means the drone has been powered on and is under self-test. Unlock remote control. Move left joystick. to southeast, right joystick to southwest. Draw a V. The motor began to idle rotation. Please pay attention to check whether the motor rotation is smooth and no abnormal sound. Toggle the joystick to see if the corresponding arm is stopped. After the test, please install the propeller and add pesticide. Note: power off the aircraft and remote control before the installation of the propeller. Please do not add powdery pesticides. It will cause the clogging of nozzle. Part 5. Spraying flight process. Remind you again before the flight. The aircraft work has some risk. Please pay attention to the surroundings. Keep away from strong magnetic interference or other obstacles to avoid danger. Flight divided into 3 modes. 1. GPS spraying mode. The aircraft takes off under the GPS mode. The drone pilot controls the flight path to spray pesticide manually according to the shape of the field. Remind here the aircraft needs to manually open, and the reporter needs inform in advance before reaching the other side so the aircraft can reduce speed and time to prevent the occurrence of accidents. 2. AB autonomous flight mode. The aircraft takes off under GPS mode. Manually reset the AB point. Continuously toggle AB point channel 7 to 8 times. Red, yellow, and green indicators alternately flashing. Then the AB point clears. Flying pilot control aircraft in the corner of the field and record A point. The aircraft opens the pressure pump, then flight forward. The flying pilot needs to record the B point according to the reminder from reporter. Then open the AB autonomous flight mode. If no pesticide or low power occurs in the operation, the flying pilot recalls the aircraft for renewal or replacement of the battery. Breakpoint intelligent record function works. You can control the aircraft to return to the breakpoint by one key and continue to complete the original remaining route task. In addition, after the aircraft finishes spraying, it will automatically switch to hover situation. You need to close the pump first, then close the AB mode. Manually control the aircraft to return back. If the aircraft occurs abnormal phenomenon, please manually switch to the attitude mode to save the machine. It is necessary to emphasize that the pump should be opened manually. At the breakpoint of the spraying, the pump should be closed. In addition, under the attitude mode, only the height fixed. Point not fixed. Also, the aircraft is under variable speed acceleration movement. Please perform cautiously. 3. Route planning mode. First, prepare a mobile device. Open the phone Bluetooth and install the Fly app or Digital Eagle. After the device connected successfully, open the app to draw the plot's logo. And then Online Nouveau Map Point Selection, Add Area, input the quadrangle coordinates of the plots. It should be noted that there will be some errors in the manual point selection. Please be noted to keep margin retained to avoid unnecessary losses. After the completion of setting, point the route generation. Can adjust the interval and angle according to the actual situation. General interval 4 meters. After the adjustment is completed, keep data saved and send the waypoint of the flight control, waiting for the aircraft to take off. After the flight, break off the rod to turn off the motor. Move the throttle rocker to the lowest point, and keep 3 seconds or 8 outside method to break off the rod and lock.